If Windows is blocking Google Chrome, the underlying cause can be complex and stem from various layers of system protection and configuration. This issue is not uncommon and often manifests in different forms, such as Chrome failing to launch, receiving an error that says, "This app has been blocked for your protection," or being unable to access websites even though the browser appears to function normally. These symptoms suggest that the blockage could be occurring either at the application level, where Chrome is prevented from executing, or at the network level, where access to the internet is restricted by firewall rules or DNS filtering. One of the most frequent culprits is Windows Defender Smart Screen, a built-in feature designed to protect users from unrecognized apps and potential malware. While useful, Smart Screen can mistakenly flag legitimate applications like Chrome, particularly if the browser was installed from a non-standard source or if system permissions have been modified. In addition, Windows Firewall settings could be restricting Chrome's network access. By default, Chrome should be allowed through the firewall, but manual changes, security software, or system updates can occasionally alter these permissions. Users can verify this by navigating to Control Panel, System and Security, Windows Defender Firewall, allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall, and ensuring that Chrome is allowed on both private and public networks. Another layer of restriction can come from group policy settings, especially on school or work computers managed by an IT department. In such environments, administrators often implement policies that restrict the installation or execution of unauthorized software. This might include Google Chrome if the organization prefers Microsoft Edge or another browser for standard use. Moreover, parental controls or Microsoft Family Safety settings can prevent Chrome from opening, especially on family-managed accounts. These controls are designed to limit a child's access to specific applications or websites and can be configured remotely by a parent or guardian. Users can check these settings under Settings, Accounts, Family, and Other Users. Additionally, third-party antivirus software, such as Norton, McAfee, or Avast, can mistakenly identify Chrome as a threat and either block its internet access or quarantine the application entirely. In such cases, temporarily disabling the antivirus or adding Chrome to its exclusion or exception list can help identify whether it is the source of the problem. For those encountering repeated launch failures, another possible fix involves checking the file's properties. Right-clicking on the Chrome shortcut or executable file and selecting Properties might reveal an Unblock button under the General tab, which appears when Windows has flagged the file as coming from another computer or an untrusted source. Clicking Unblock and applying the changes can restore functionality. If these methods fail, reinstalling Chrome might be necessary. This can be done using the Windows Package Manager via the command line for a clean, secure installation. By opening a command prompt as an administrator and typing winget uninstall google.com followed by winget install google.chrome, users can ensure a fresh installation that bypasses any corrupted settings or partially installed files. Ultimately, resolving Chrome being blocked by Windows requires a careful and methodical approach to identify the root cause, whether it's security software, firewall settings, system policies, or corrupted installations. Understanding the nature of the block, is it preventing launch, web access, or installation, is key to choosing the right solution. In complex cases, especially on managed systems, users may need administrative privileges or assistance from an IT administrator to make the necessary changes. With the right steps, however, users can almost always restore Chrome to full working order on their Windows machine. 1. Allow Chrome through Windows Firewall. Open Control Panel, System and Security, Windows Defender Firewall. Click Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Click Change Settings. Find Google Chrome in the list and make sure both private and public checkboxes are checked. If Chrome isn't listed, click Allow another app, then browse to See, Program Files, Google, Chrome, Application Chrome.exe. Add it and allow both network types. 2. Disable third-party antivirus. Temporarily open your antivirus software, for example, Avast, Norton, McAfee. Temporarily disable real-time protection or web protection. Try opening Chrome. If it works, go into your antivirus settings and add Chrome to the exclusions allow list. 3. Reinstall Chrome using command line. Press Windows X. Choose Terminal Admin or Command Prompt Admin. Run the following. winget uninstall Google Chrome. winget install Google Chrome. This ensures a clean install using Windows Package Manager. 4. Scan for system corruption. Open Command Prompt Admin. Run the following commands one by one. SFC scan now. DESM online. Cleanup image. Restore health. These will repair system files that might be interfering with app launches. After completing the steps, reboot your PC. Try launching Chrome again. If it still doesn't work, note the exact error message and share it for more tailored help. Let me know your Windows version and any error you see if Chrome is still blocked. In conclusion, Windows blocking Google Chrome can be a frustrating experience, especially when you're unsure of the exact cause behind the restriction. However, as outlined in the detailed steps above, this issue is often rooted in system-level security features, such as Windows Defender Smart Screen, the Windows Firewall, or parental control settings applied through Microsoft Family Safety. Additionally, third-party antivirus software may misidentify Chrome as a threat, leading to unnecessary interference or complete application blockage. By carefully walking through each solution, starting with checking for smart screen restrictions, unblocking the Chrome executable, adjusting firewall permissions, and inspecting any active antivirus software, you can systematically eliminate the most common causes of this problem. It's also important to consider user account controls and administrative restrictions that may be present on work, school, or family-managed devices, as these settings can quietly prevent Chrome from launching or accessing the web without clearly stating the reason. For more advanced troubleshooting, steps like running the System File Checker, SFC, and DESM commands can repair any underlying system file corruption that might be contributing to the issue. And in cases where Chrome has been corrupted or improperly installed, using the Windows Package Manager, winget, to uninstall and reinstall Chrome ensures a clean and up-to-date installation. After making all necessary changes, restarting your system helps apply the new configurations and gives Chrome the best chance to function without interference. While this process may seem involved, it's often just a matter of identifying the right source of the block and applying a targeted fix. If, after trying all the solutions, Chrome is still being blocked or restricted, it may be necessary to consult with IT support or a system administrator, especially if you're using a managed computer, since certain restrictions may be enforced through group policies or enterprise-level software. By taking a thorough and patient approach, you can typically restore full access to Chrome and return to browsing securely and without disruption. And that's it for today's video. I hope this step-by-step guide helped you fix the issue of Windows blocking Google Chrome. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Got questions or still stuck? Drop a comment below. I respond to as many as I can. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.